Hey people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be starting out the 30-day booty challenge workout as requested by you guys in a poll on my Instagram. So every day for this month of 30 days, the rest of January and a little bit of February, I'll be doing a booty workout designed by 50 Fitness UK. Make sure you stay tuned to see how I get on. Okay, so I'm on day 16, just over halfway there, and it's tough. Like, it's not hard in terms of like, I'm trying. It is hard, the workout is difficult. It's not too time consuming, and it fits in with my day. It takes like 10 minutes to do, so it's good, but it's difficult. Like, what I'm on today is 50 hip bridges, 35 donkey kicks, 35 fire hydrants and 30 rainbows. In terms of my body at the minute, not probably the best thing to wear is black, but this is what I'm looking like. Seeing some small changes, but halfway there, can't complain. Let's get into today's workout. It is getting harder and harder and harder and harder and harder. And now I'm going to do a lower body workout. This is the last day, day 30 of the booty challenge. I have stuck to it and it has been good, I'm not going to lie. I have kind of enjoyed it in a weird way, but it has been a little bit monotonous doing it every single day. So I'm thankful that this is the last day. Right, so I finished the 30-day booty challenge. So I'll insert some pictures here so you can see the before where I started on day 1 and the after, what happened. And as you can see, there's a clear difference in particularly like the way my booty like kind of sticks out a little bit. And so before, my glutes were 43.5 when I started. Now they are at 44. I have in fact gained half an inch on my glutes in 30 days, which is so good considering it is really difficult for females to gain muscle in that short space of time. But I was at the same time doing it. I wasn't just doing the booty challenge because I do work out on a regular basis anyway. So I did my 4 times a week workouts, which consist of 3 lower body days and 1 upper and lower body day. So I work my glutes out about 4 times a week anyway. And I was counting my macros and my calories. So I was eating for maintenance, because I haven't lost any weight at all, which is excellent. But you can see that clearly I've lost some in my stomach, so I've lost some fat, but I've gained some in my bums. So that's called body recomposition basically, which is excellent because I didn't really want to lose any weight at all. I was happy with my size. I just wanted to tighten up a bit and lift my bum. So yeah, I'm really happy with the results. And if you want to take part in the booty challenge, if you want to have a go at it and see if you can get any results, email me and I can get you set up with the program. I'll link all my details down below for that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see some more workouts and hair tips from me, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.